live a really long time, whereas the oldest turtle currently is more than 160 years old, and the oldest tortoise known is 255 years old.
150, dude! And still young! Rock on!
This is because of something called negligible senescence. Negligible senescence is where mortality rate and reproduction rate do not decrease with age. This is due to many different factors.
One of these factors is the ability of some turtle species to live without oxygen for long periods of time, known as anaerobiosis. This means that their cells are exposed to much less stress from oxygen, which over time degrades the cells of living organisms. Oxidation affects lipids in the cell membrane as well as the DNA of organisms. Cellular defenses in the turtle cells, such as antioxidant enzymes, help to protect these macromolecules found in the cells from oxidative damage.
The chemistry behind a turtle and tortoise's negligible senescence is believed to derive from their anoxia tolerance. This means that they have made adaptations to stay underwater for months at a time. For example, a pond turtle can live underwater without surfacing for air for about 4 months. A factor contributing to their anoxia tolerance can be credited to their slowed down metabolic rate. The metabolic rate depression enables the tissues in their bodies to limit their energy needs and survive for long periods of time using only the ATP that is produced by glycolysis.
Another factor in the turtles and tortoises' negligible senescence is their ability to keep their reproductive rates high far past maturity. Because turtles and tortoises have been found to breed later into life, it has been connected to their ability to live for hundreds of years and much longer than any human being. The average tortoise does not breed until they are about 80 years old. This is because many different species of turtles and tortoises were on the brink of extinction, where most of the population is made up of older turtles or tortoises. This then forcing the older members of the species to breed to keep the gene pool alive. Over time, this became the norm for turtles and tortoises through evolutionary processes.
Another link to how they live so long is due to the fact that they have great stress resistance mechanisms. Studies show that stress resistance can be directly related with aging. For turtles to live so long in an environment with the oxygen levels frequently changing, their stress resistance mechanisms are pretty reliable. Those mechanisms include an anoxia tolerance and the induction of various protection proteins and pathways.